In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Notion easily, even if you have no design skills whatsoever. Adding images can enhance your documents, making them more engaging and visually appealing, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First up, let's get started by opening Notion. If you're not familiar, Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can jot down notes, manage projects, or even organize your personal life. Once you have opened Notion, you'll want to navigate to the page where you want to insert an image. This can be any part of your Notion workspace, whether it's a new page you've just created or an existing one that you're updating. Now, once you're on your desired page, here's an easy shortcut to get started. Simply type in the / key, followed by the word image. This is a command that quickly brings up the option to add an image onto your page. It's part of Notion's intuitive interface that allows users to access various content blocks seamlessly. After you've typed that in, you'll see an option pop up for image. Go ahead and click on that option. This is the part where Notion will prompt you to decide how you want to insert your image. It's very straightforward and user-friendly, so you won't have any trouble at all. The next step is easy. Notion gives you several choices for adding an image to your page. For today, we're going with the Upload File option. By clicking Upload File, you're telling Notion you want to use an image stored on your device. A File Explorer window will open, showing you all the images available on your computer. From here, you can browse your files and select the image you want. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and find that perfect picture you want to add. Once you've selected your image and clicked open, watch as Notion quickly uploads your file to the page. This won't take long, and soon you'll see your chosen image right where you wanted it. And just like that, you've successfully inserted an image into your Notion page. Remember, the great thing about Notion is that this process is repeatable. You can add as many images as you need, and resizing or rearranging them is a breeze. So there you have it, a super simple way to bring some visual flair to your Notion pages. By following these few steps, going to Notion, navigating to your page, using the shortcut, and uploading an image, you have now enhanced your document with ease. Now it's your turn to experiment and see how images can transform your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Notion.